Oh no, Amanda.
No.
Guess what?
What?
We're leaving today.
It's our last day.
And it's not done yet because we're still going over to do a DVC tour at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Yeah, that's really exciting.
So Animal Kingdom Lodge is the next.
Second, like that's the one I'm really excited.
Yeah,
for.
I'm really excited for Animal Kingdom. So we're heading there right now in a lift, and we'll see
do
you
a
then.
tour and show you around.
Yeah, hopefully we get to. I'm gonna video in the room, so we'll get to see what a DVC room looks like.
Yeah.
Pumped.
I'm excited.
See you soon. What a neat place. Look at this. It's so cool. Look at the theming. Oh my god. It doesn't have a specific smell like the Polynesian does, but...
I smell it.
Do you? Oh, maybe it smells like... Maybe it smells like the outdoors. Oh, this is cool.
So cool.
I really like this. Look at the animals that are just running across up here. Wow, there's like a lot of stuff in here. A doll with cowrie shells. Cowrie shell hat? I want cowrie shells now. Oh, look at the back. Oh, look at the walkway. The walkway right here? That's really neat. I like these things up at the top too. Wow, this is so neat. I don't even know what this is. It's a head crest from Nigerian people. Wow, that's really cool. Human antelope mask. This is cool. What is this? This is so neat. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. Ostriches. And they have a fire going over here. Look at this side. Yeah, look at this. The fire. You can just sit in front of the fire and chill. Cool. Initiation mask. Ooh, they got some music going down here, buddy. Oh, they got some guys playing drums? Yes. I think this right here is a bar, which is an awesome place for a bar. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, yeah. Daily adventures. Meet a Savannah guide.
We're in the Jumbo House right now.
Oh, that's the buffet. That's really cool. The Jico. This is the entrance to Jico. Here's the menu for Jico. Wow.
How's it look? Anything look good?
Everything looks good. This is the kids menu. And this is the adult menu. Wild boar tenderloin.
Ooh.
Wow. Chico
Spicy
salad.
peppers.
Oh, Epcot Land Pavilion greens.
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
Ooh, lamb tangine.
Oh, grilled filet. That sounds really good. Wow. So we're walking out over by Chico. And I think I see a pool immediately. Oh man, look at, these are the windows at Jico. And you can look out into this. That's neat. Wow. So over that way is Simba's Comp House, it says, and the wading pool in the arcade, and the Mara. And over here is a playground. Ooh, this is the Uzima pool. In the middle is the Uzima pool.
Water slide.
We have the slide, the spa. Out in the back is the Savannah overlook. We're gonna have to make our way over there. Pumbaa's arcade, Simba's Cup House. Let's go this way. Here's the Uzima pool. This is a cool pool. Look, there's the water slide over in the back. Right back here. Which is kind of cool. Wow. It's just kind of a pool. The slide's over this way. Let's go in this way. Because I want to go check out the hut and get drinks. Through this, you can see the slide in the background. Going down the slide. Oh look, they have one of those pools that you can just walk right into. The zero entry, that's what they're called. It's neat. Nice. Zima Springs. Yeah, this is a really neat bar. Oh, they have a Safari Amber. And they have the elephant foot, which is my favorite. Don't feed the wild animals, it says. This is the East African crowned crane. Oh yeah, there are flamingos right there. You know what that's called?
What?
A flamboyance.
Oh yes, I learned that one.
Oh, and look at the guys in the background. Apparently they're supposed to be African spoonbill, but they must be fraternizing over there. Oh, I see over here a giraffe, which we'll make our way over to in a little bit. A lizard. What's up, buddy? I don't know where my wife is gone, but there she is. Here's the hot tub. I think there are some giraffes over this way. Here's the giraffe area, where it says, please don't climb. Oh, there's a really good view of the hut right there. And there's the giraffes. Just chilling out, eating some food.
That is so cool.
So I thought the walking area was going to be a lot longer, but it's not. I think this is where it kind of ends.
Yeah, because you can't really
go anywhere. Somewhere around here are the spur-winged gooses. All right, very cool. Love this place. They have little lockers that you can put your stuff in when you go in the pool. Here's another hot tub on the back side of the pool. Here's the arcade, and it looks pretty big in there. This is the door that goes into Simba's clubhouse. This is the daycare where you, between 10 and 8, you can drop your children. This is the back of the lobby. That's the front of the lobby. So we'll just head out this way. I know, right? I love that bridge. I need to find that bridge so I can go across it. It's awesome. You're good. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this place. I believe this is where they have a fire at night. Wow. That is where I want to stay. I know. Rock.
I think they're better than those other ones. Let's say it's open.
The roan antelope lives out here, as well as giraffes. There's another giraffe.
They have the same number of neck bones as we do. They're just way bigger.
Walking around these rocks. Oh, there's another fire pit right there. Look at how close up the giraffe is. Oh wow, look at the big glass right here. That's neat. Yeah, so something I just noticed is when you come out the very back door, there's some steps over here. I want to go check it out and see where it goes. Yeah. We have this place all to ourselves. Nobody's sitting up here. They're all somewhere else. So I think we're just gonna sit and rock for a few minutes and chill out. Sat, had a relaxing time, and now we're going back into the lobby through the magic doors. Magic doors. And the backside of fire. The drums have stopped. All right, the last stop before our DVC tour is going to be into the gift shop. Wow, they have a lot of African themed things here. Oh, love giraffes. Look at this thing. It's like a bowl, but it has a handle on it so you can soup it up.
Nice.
Kilimanjaro safaris. Lots of Lion King stuff, as you can imagine. Some binoculars. Safari hats, which are really cool. Here's Mickey. Let's go safari. Oh yeah!
I've been saying I need something for Animal Kingdom.
That's cool. Safari Mickey and some animal babies. Oh, you got Timon and Pumbaa. different notebooks. Oh, those are cool notebooks. Oh, you can buy drums. Ooh, is this a kalimba? Oh.
How do you play that?
Jumbo shape.
Like that?
Yeah. It's called a kalimba or something like that.
Oh, that's really neat.
Yeah. We've also, oh, we saw these at the Polynesian.
Oh, yeah.
We've also got the, oh, these are nice paintings actually. This is from the lobby. It's cool. This is the back from the Savannah view. Wow, here's where we get into the non-Animal Kingdom stuff. So as soon as you walk in, you have all the Animal Kingdom stuff, and then over this way is all the non-Animal Kingdom stuff, except this puzzle that I really love. Love that puzzle. That is an awesome puzzle. I haven't seen that one before. Oh, here's the other babies, so that you can get Michelle the baby that she wants.
Oh,
Oh, look, the Tree of Life.
well, that's cool.
That's very neat. It's a little playset with Safari Mickey and Safari Goofy. Gigantic statues. How much is a statue? Ooh, this is a hand-carved mother and baby giraffe statue. It is $1,255. And the larger one, which is probably 6 feet tall, is $4,595. That's a little more than I would spend. Look at this backpack. It's so cool.
I like that.
It's only $40. That's cool. It's got Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom.
Is it a DVC bag?
No, it's got, I see Pirates of the Caribbean. The Haunted Mansion is right there. There's the Mickey pillows, the Pooh pillow. Ah, the oversized hands. Any cool pins here? Oh, Winnie the Pooh and the Blustery Day pin. That's awesome.
Oh, that's cool.
I love that one.
Darkwing Duck.
Oh, I got my Darkwing Duck shirt on today. So we're heading over to Kidani Village to do our DVC tour. And something I want to point out is it has been really confusing to get this done.
Yeah.
Like, super confusing. We tell people that we have a tour and they have no idea what we're talking about. I don't know if it's them, which doesn't seem likely. I think the guy on the phone that I talked to last night just didn't do a very good job to get us scheduled.
Yeah, maybe.
So, well, hopefully it goes well and it's not annoying. For the Kidani Village. It's just telling you the Jumbo House and the sports courts are that way. So this has its own separate lobby and everything. All right, let's check it out. Oh, this is Disney Vacation Club. Yeah, all right, here we go. Another cool area. Oh, they have their own, they have a gift shop here. It's called Johari Treasure. Yeah, it is. This is a DVC specific area. So I think we're gonna go over there and talk to the DVC person in a minute. Look at that. He's tilling his land. And just like everywhere else, they have a seating area out here, which we're gonna check out soon. Actually, I'm gonna go right now because I'm really curious. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, this is neat. Look at this. All right, let's go check this out. We're coming around and we're coming outside to the magic doors. Oh, that didn't work. This safari is, or Savannah is way better. Wow. This is very nice. Look at the giraffes and the roan antelopes. I'm a big fan of this. Wow. Oh, there's the area that you can come sit outside at. And there's the area that we just were where you could sit outside. And with that done, I think we're gonna go check into the DVC and do a tour and check out the rooms. We're in the office, waiting for our tour, watching a video. I've probably seen this video on YouTube.
I don't think I've ever seen this.
This is a converted room. It's actually kind of small, I think. I'll be curious to see what the rest of it looks like.
Yeah.
Cool. Go and see the savannah, but you can't. It's just vegetation.
It's like basically more like a shelter.
Right?
Yeah.
And I think the kids would be happy with the theming in here anyway.
Oh, that's nice.
Right? And then,
Oh, the toilet's separate. That's
yeah,
cool.
the toilet's separate. So you can poop with the Echo.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah.
This is probably joining room. Closet.
Extra pillows. I really like the savannah a lot. It's like really cool.
Oh, it's
Right?
Really nice.
This is what the kids would love. Right? Oh, this is so cool. And right over,
Oh my gosh.
right?
That is so awesome. So cool.
And they have the shampoo in here. I love it.
So nice. And they have the
Wash
wash and dryer.
I can do laundry in my room and
That's really
not
nice.
worry about it.
That's loud.
Slamming. And again, you get to,
This is awesome.
right? This is a lot like the sitting area over at the cabins too,
Yeah. Except this one, you get to
Awesome
go
stuff.
out.
right? And this couch is a pull-out too, right?
That is correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Hands.
Queen
Oh,
size.
you bring the parents.
We could bring the. Oh. Oh my god, that is gonna be the coolest thing ever.
The master gets its own
And the master has a.
porch too.
It connects over to the main balcony.
That's so cool.
This is. Oh no.
And this is what I'm missing.
Yeah, right? I would just put that on and watch it all night long.
Oh,
Look how big the bathroom is. Holy crap.
Shower and a tub.
Yep.
Tricky. Both fit in here.
Right?
Come with me.
Oh my god. All right.
Wow.
Notice,
This is crazy.
notice
love
there's Mufasa in the back of the chair. There's giraffe legs
Oh, is there?
giraffes on the bottom, legs on the bottom.
Oh yeah. There's Mufasa right there.
Also Jake Lane, right?
Oh, nice.
And I opened the door for you so you can walk out on the balcony to see the size of the balcony in the one bedroom.
Oh yeah, I wanted to go. Oh my god. Can you imagine martinis out here?
Yeah, it's great. Especially in the morning and at night.
Oh, calm.
Oh.
Direct. Oh, God.
The animals come out more.
Yeah.
Really?
Wow. We're here at Savannah, having some delicious treats. Look, I have a spicy poblano pepper. We'll check back in a little bit.
I have a watermelon margarita.
We may or may not have bought it into DVC. I won't let you know yet.
And also we ordered the non-bread service.
Oh yeah, the Indian style bread service
With
and
lots of
lamb
dips.
skewers. I'm really excited for
Me
that.
too.
Yeah.
So I'll have to show
I'll have
you.
to show a little bit of it. Just wanted to jump in here real quick. We got the Indian style bread service. Comes with a bunch of naan, and then a whole bunch of sauces, which look really good. These are spicy. And then the lamb skewers. Yum.
Yeah, that goat cheese spread.
It's a sad day.
Yeah.
We're leaving. We're officially heading to the airport to not be here anymore.
It's really sad, but we had so much fun.
Yeah, we had a little bit of trouble getting into the DVC tour and the talk, but it was a really fun tour.
Yeah.
The guy who did it with us was really great. We didn't buy in today.
We didn't, but I'm glad we did it.
But we
because
will.
We're very incentivized to do it.
Incentivized?
Incentivized? Is that a word?
Yeah, I think we're definitely going to become DVC members. We're gonna look into it when we get home, and the Disney financing for it is way more than I would ever pay. At about 12% when we were looking at it, I just feel like I can get a much better deal going through my bank or something like that. So we're gonna start looking at that.
Yeah.
And now we are off to the airport. So, and with
It's been a
that,
great trip.
don't forget to bring home the milk.
Bye.